Good morning, children. This is Shwebal sir speaking. Children, as of now, we have completed chapter 4, and here in this video, we are going to talk about a very important concept of math magic, that is about chapter 5. This chapter 5 is all about a very new concept for you all, is called symmetry. Now, question is, sir, what is symmetry? How does it work in our daily life? How it helps us in our daily life? How it helps in mathematics. Children, it has got a wide concept of in geometry, in terms of geometry, in terms of mathematics. It has got a huge implementation. What is symmetry, children? Before we understand what is symmetrical figures, we need to understand some basic concept. Children, suppose I'm drawing one rectangle on my screen. This is a rectangle. Okay. If I ask you all to make it into two equal parts, to make it two equal parts of this figure, what will you do, children? You will draw a figure exactly from here, right? If you draw a line exactly from here, that means we are making into two equal parts. Fine. Or if I draw one line from exactly from this side horizontally, then also the figure becomes two equal parts. So if I draw one butterfly, suppose it's a butterfly. Here is a diagram of a butterfly, and if I ask you to make it into two equal parts, what the image will come in your mind? You will just draw one line exactly from the center of this figure, okay, like this. But if you draw the figure over here like this, or a line segment from here like this, the figure will not be divided into two equal parts. So children, symmetry is that particular line segment, or symmetrical line of symmetry is that particular line segment what makes the figure exactly a mirror half. Now what is mirror half? If I suppose, children, place one mirror exactly over here on this line segment, if I place one mirror like this exactly on this line segment, I can see, I'll be able to see the other half part of this butterfly. Means I can see a complete image on the paper as well as on the mirror. Means altogether, from the page and the mirror, I can see a complete figure. A complete figure can be seen. So such line segment is called line of symmetry. Okay, and the figure itself is a symmetrical figure. Children, every figures are not symmetrical shapes. Every figure are not in symmetrical shapes. Some figures are non-symmetrical. For an example, children, suppose if I draw one suppose a figure of scalene triangle, in which all three line segments are of different measures. So I cannot draw any line of symmetry over here. It is not possible, because if I draw from here, from here, from here, from here, from no side you can make a symmetrical shape, or no lines of symmetry can be drawn on such figures. So there are some examples of shapes given in the book, in your book, page number 73, in which we are asked to find the line of symmetry, or which figures are of symmetrical shape. So here we can see figure number 1. It is made up, it looks like a star like this. So this shape is a symmetrical shape. I can draw a line of symmetry exactly from here. If I draw a line of symmetry exactly from here, so this figure will become a symmetrical figure. Alright, so now more examples can be taken from the book. Like figure number 2 is not a symmetrical figure. Figure number 3, it's on a leaf. So here is a leaf. So the line of symmetry is drawn exactly from here. So it's not a symmetrical figure. So children, line of symmetry is that particular line segment which gives us exactly mirror half of a figure. Those shapes are known as symmetrical shapes. So I'm giving you a task. You will draw 10 shapes, any 10 shapes of symmetrical figure on your white copy, and you will draw a line of symmetry from which line segment we can make exactly mirror half figure. So this one will be your task to you all, and you will be definitely doing this work, and you will be trying to submit this work in the Google Classroom positively. Till then, thank you so much, children. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And your work will be to complete page number 73. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.